welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl here, Mary. So today I'm back with another video. First of all, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you guys for always tuning in. For the new subscribers, you're welcome to my channel. I'll enjoy my videos, okay? So today I'm going to unbox my new phone, which is CAMON 15 Air. Yeah, that is. So if you have not subscribed first, consider subscribing, guys. Let's hit 2k subscribers, okay? Let's hit 2k subscribers. Thank you, guys. Let's do it. Here's the phone. Let's open it. Hi. CAMON 15 here. No, it's not like this. Like this. CAMON 15 Air. Okay. Yes. Oh, let me first read about it. It has a battery capacity of 5,000 amperes. Then it has front camera is 8 megapixel. And what else? Back camera. Yes, the back camera is 48 megapixel. That is the reason I've chosen this phone. I think it will be producing good videos, better ones, because the one I was using was 1 GB RAM and 16 GB. This one is 64 GB and 3 GB RAM. Yeah. Cindy. So let's see how it looks like. Yeah. First of all, we have this, the cover. This is the cover. The phone's cover. It looks like this. Yeah. The phone is here. The phone is here. Let me hold it like this. It's here. So this is the phone. The phone. We have a charger over here. Charger and earphones. This is the charger and the earphones. Yeah. Then let's go to the phone. Here is the phone. Here is the phone. This is the phone, guys. Look at it. The back camera is 48 megapixel and the front camera is 8 megapixel. We are going to remove this. So guys, expect more quality videos, okay? The one I'm vlogging with, it has got, what do I say, low quality videos, okay? This one, I guess this one will take 720. I think 720, the quality. So this is my new phone, my new baby is here. I love it, guys. I love it. So what is your take about this phone? What is your take? I love it. Here's the phone. So we can as well put the cover. This. Here it is. I think it is 6.6 inches. Yeah, 6.6 inches. Yeah, it is. My new baby, guys. So expect more good quality videos from me. Thank you guys for tuning in, okay? That is all about this phone. Yeah, so if you want a good phone, you can go for this or CAMON 16, of course. Yeah, I'm so excited to have this new baby over here. So I'll be vlogging and producing quality videos, okay? Yeah, I'm so excited. Thank you guys for always watching my videos, okay? I really appreciate. I am here just because of you guys. So if you have not watched my previous videos, just go and watch them, and leave a comment so that I can know what to improve on my videos. Okay, yeah, you can as well comment the kind of videos you wanna see on my channel. Yeah, your wish is my command. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching my videos, and make sure you hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe, hit the red button and turn on the bell. Okay, tell a friend to subscribe. Thank you guys. Cheers. Bye. See you on my next video.